Yarn over yarn, make that stitch, single, double, treble, puff, take your pick.
This is just a quick video on how to make a slip knot, which is your basic knot that you do for a lot of the crochet projects that are out there. It can be a little intimidating for new crocheters out there, so I'm making this video just for you. Go ahead and grab your yarn, and the end of the yarn needs to be by your pinky finger. Go ahead and take your thumb and hold it down into place. Then take the rest of the working yarn and wrap it around your hand one time. Close your hand into a fist. Grab this working yarn and put it on top of the yarn that you wrapped around your hand, making a small X. Then go ahead and put it underneath and pull. Make sure that you grab your end of your yarn and pull it all the way through. You now have a slip knot. Now, to bring it down to the size that you need, go ahead and put your crochet hook inside the circle, grab the working yarn, and pull it. You now have the slip knot onto your crochet hook, and you're ready to get started on your project. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.
Single, double, treble, puff, take your pick. Yarn and hooks, my love runs deep. Let me crochet.